Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. In today's video, we are going to delve into the fascinating topic of multiple intelligence theory and explore strategies for effectively implementing it in the classroom. So let's get started. The concept of multiple intelligence theory introduced by Harvard psychologist Howard Gardner revolutionizes how we understand intelligence. According to Gardner, intelligence is not limited to a single IQ score but is instead composed of several distinct intelligences. This theory recognizes that individuals possess different strengths and learning preferences. According to Gardner, there are 8 distinct intelligences. Let's have a look one by one in these types of intelligences with the real life example. Number 1. Linguistic intelligence. This intelligence involves sensitivity to spoken and written language as well as the ability to effectively use language for communication and expression. A person who has strong language skills including reading, writing and speaking. They easily learn new languages, are great storyteller and can excel in writing or journalism. Number 2. Logical mathematical intelligence. It relates to the ability to think logically, reason, analyze problems mathematically, and understand abstract concepts. A person who is good at logical reasoning, abstract thinking, and problem solving, they excel in mathematics and science and may pursue careers in engineering, programming, or finance. Number 3. Spatial intelligence. It refers to the ability to visualize and manipulate objects, perceive spatial relationships, and navigate the physical world. A person who possesses strong visual and spatial reasoning skills, they can easily visualize and manipulate objects in their mind and effectively use visual aids to learn new information. They may excel in fields such as architecture, art, or engineering. Number 4. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence. This intelligence involves using one's body in a skillful, coordinated, and expressive manner, such as in sport, dancing, or acting. A person who has a strong sense of body awareness and coordination, they may excel in sports, dance, or any field that requires physical movement. Number 5. Musical intelligence. It entails the ability to recognize, appreciate, and create music, as well as understanding rhythm and melody. Person who has a keen sense of musical rhythm and melody and can easily pick up on musical pattern and structures, they may excel in playing musical instruments or composing music. Number 6. Interpersonal intelligence. This intelligence focuses on understanding and interacting effectively with others, such as being empathetic, perspective, and skilled in social interactions. A person who is good at understanding and relating to others, they possess great social skills and excel in communication, management, and leadership roles. Number 7. Intrapersonal intelligence. It involves self-reflection, introspection, having a deep understanding of oneself and recognizing personal strengths and weaknesses. A person who is self-aware and introspective and has a strong sense of self, they may excel in fields such as psychology, counseling, or self-help. Number 8. Naturalistic intelligence. This intelligence pertains to being observant and knowledgeable about the natural world, including plants, animals, and the environment. A person who has deep understanding and connection to nature. They may have a passion for gardening, botany, animal behavior, or ecology. Now that we grasp the essence of multiple intelligence theory, let's discuss practical ways to integrate it into the classroom. By doing so, we tap into each student's unique strengths, foster engagement, and promote inclusive learning environments. Firstly, it is essential to design activities that cater to various intelligences. For linguistic learners, provide ample reading and writing opportunities. Encourage logical mathematical learners to solve problems and engage in critical thinking exercises. Special learners can benefit from visual aids, diagrams, or hands-on activities that allow them to interact with objects. Incorporate movement and kinesthetic activities such as role play or experiments to cater the bodily kinesthetic learners. For musical learners, utilize music, chants, or songs to enhance their comprehension and retention. Create projects that facilitate self-reflection and personal goal settings for intrapersonal learners. Lastly, encourage cooperative learning, collaboration, and group projects to support the development of interpersonal skills. While it is vital to integrate multiple intelligences theory, it is equally important to create a supportive classroom environment. Here are some strategies to ensure successful implementation. First, familiarize yourself with your students' individual strengths and learning preferences. Conduct assessments or observation to identify their dominant intelligence. This helps tailor your instructions accordingly. Second, encourage students to explore different intelligences and develop those that may not come naturally to them. By providing a well-rounded learning experience, you expand their horizons and promote holistic development. Third, regularly assess students' progress using diverse methods that align with different intelligences. Traditional tests may not effectively evaluate a student's overall potential, so consider incorporating performance-based assessments, group projects, or portfolio reviews. Lastly, create a culture of respect and appreciation for all intelligences. Remind students that all forms of intelligence are valuable and important. This fosters an inclusive and supportive environment where students feel comfortable expressing their abilities. In conclusion, multiple intelligences theory provides a dynamic framework for understanding and implementing diverse teaching strategies in the classroom. By recognizing and catering to various intelligences, educators can empower students by tapping into their unique strengths and talents. Remember, the goal is to nurture well-rounded individuals who not only excel academically but also develop socially, emotionally, and creatively. So let's embrace multiple intelligences theory and cultivate an inclusive and engaging educational experience for all. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.